Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tone with the news, updates, trends, and analysis. We have so many updates today, very important things. A lot of things are bubbling in the market, crypto market being specific. We have one with Ethereum Vitalik worried about Bitcoin's future. And we also have RobinHood listing Cardano before the anticipated update. And good news, guys, Celsius, yes, the ones that are going bankrupt is trying to return your money back. Let's jump right into it, guys. Yes, sir. Ethereum Vitalik worried about Bitcoin's futures for two reasons. Vitalik has said that he is worried about Bitcoin. The Ethereum creator pointed to Bitcoin fee model and proof of work consensus mechanism, saying that they could leave Bitcoin vulnerable to attack in the long-term future. Vitalik also defended proof of stake ahead of Ethereum's upcoming merge and shared his thoughts on crypto recent bull market. Vitalik also gave his thoughts on some criticism leveled of proof of stake ahead of Ethereum's merge event. Fears about Bitcoin's future. Vitalik is concerned about Bitcoin's future. In a September 2 interview yesterday with economics writer Noah Smith, the Ethereum creator said that he is worried about Bitcoin for two reasons. He explained that he thinks Bitcoin could face problems in the long-term future owing to its fee model. Bitcoin currently distributes coins to miner as payment for securing the network. But as the protocol has a hard supply cap of 21 million, eventually the network will rely on transaction fees alone for security. Vitalik told Smith that this is a problem because Bitcoin is not succeeding at getting the level of fee revenue required to secure what could be a multi-trillion-dollar system. The amount of fees Bitcoin generates on other protocols has long been hot topic of discussion in the crypto community. According to crypto fees data, Bitcoin averaged about 225,000 in fees over the past week, trailing DeFi mainstays like Aave and Uniswap. The biggest fee generator is the protocol Vitalik created, which took around 2.7 million over the same time frame. Vitalik said that he also has fears for Bitcoin proof of work provides much less security per dollar spent on transaction fees than proof of stake, arguing that it will be problematic to have 5 trillion network cost only 5 billion to attack. Vitalik also pointed out that Bitcoin switching away from proof of work will be politically infeasible. Vitalik comments will likely spark outrage in some concerns of the crypto community. Bitcoin's most supporters have long urged that proof of work is a fundamental part of the network design. Others have made similar remarks to Vitalik regarding the top crypto's fee model. Though, as Bitcoin is scheduled to emit coins until around 2140, that issue is typically overlooked by its supporters. Vitalik defends proof of stake ahead of merge. This is going to be very interesting, guys, in a couple days. Debates over whether blockchain should achieve consensus through proof of work or proof of stake have raged for several years, now least over recent months as Ethereum prepares for its merge to a proof of stake. The merge is slated to ship around September 15th, after which Ethereum will be secured by validators staking their ETH tokens rather than miners. Some of Ethereum's most vocal detractors have urged that proof of stake limits decentralization and allows for larger stakeholders to control the network. But Vitalik told Smith that he thought such arguments were plain wrong. He said that critics make a misconception that proof of work and proof of stake are governance mechanism, when in reality they are consensus mechanism. In other words, stakers can validate transactions, but they can influence that network's future design. Proof of stake criticism intensified last month after the Treasury Department sanctioned Tornado Cash, leading the arguments that governments could one day try to censor Ethereum. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong commented on the issue, saying that his firm will stop staking rather than censor transaction. Vitalik also weighed in, saying he will consider compliance with regulatory sanction as an attack on the network. Ooh, it's about to get good, guys. I'm so excited for 15th. I don't know about you guys, but I'm investing in Ethereum. I have a large amount of Ethereum and I'm putting more before the 15th. I am not your financial advisor. I don't know if it's going to go up. I don't know if it's going to go down, but this is very interesting things. Anyways, let's move to the next subject. RobinHood in listing Cardano. Cardano listing on RobinHood ahead of Vassal upgrade. U.S. trading platform RobinHood said that it will start listing Cardano among its cryptocurrency offerings, according to an announcement. The tweet from the San Francisco-based firm implied that Cardano was finally being added after receiving significant demand from its customers. With a market capitalization of 15 billion, Cardano is currently the 8th largest cryptocurrency according to CoinGecko data. In spite of the newfound inclusion of crypto, the market seemed relatively unenthusiastic in the reaction during the minor surge in trading volume triggered by the announcement earlier this afternoon. ADA managed to rise from 44 to as high as 46, but has already traded back to around 45. Yeah, I mean, everybody used to think, yo, once a coin gets listed on Robinhood, that's it. And no, that is not the thing anymore. It looks like these markets took their own path and they don't jump or go down much from the FUD and the news. This is really good. I am a Cardano supporter. I have a lot of Cardano, and I definitely recommend to look into Cardano. The blockchain is very incredible. It has a lot of story. I'm probably gonna do a whole video about Cardano, the story, the history, and why I support Cardano so much. Let's move to the next subject. See, this is a crazy situation. Celsius files motion for digital asset holder withdrawals. This right here tanked the market a few months ago, and it's going through a lot right now in the court system, and a lot of people are actually losing money. Actually, it's not that they're losing money, they have their money on hold, and nobody knows what is going to happen with that. Crypto lender Celsius filed a motion with the U.S. bankruptcy court seeking permission to reopen withdrawals to customers who hold digital assets at Celsius. Celsius was compelled to take this move after 64 ad hoc custodial account holders lodged a complaint against Celsius freezing all withdrawals. However, the motion has much more than what meets the eye. It applied only to custody account holders and withhold account holders and for custodied assets above $7,575. Hey, that's not cool. That is not cool. I feel like everybody should get their money back. I mean, I know that there's a lot of things that they're going through, and I know that they need a lot of money, and I know that this bankruptcy is not too good for the company. But in the end of the day, everybody who put their money in that platform supported Celsius. And I feel like they should get their monies back. Celsius structured custody and withhold accounts to have legal ownership of users' assets, while the possession is not granted to those who hold assets in earn and borrow accounts. Celsius states that the assets held in earn and borrow accounts are likely property of their estates. Wow, that's messed up. The CEO, I don't know how to pronounce this, banktothefuture.com, Simon Dixon, believes that Celsius wants to release far too short of what is equitable. I definitely do think that as well. This is the tweet. Celsius currently stating that those that were moved to custody 90 days before filing should be withheld. Custody is now 210 million and they want to release 50 million. They want to reserve the rest for clawbacks. They believe all earned funds belong to Celsius. Gah. They believe all earned belongs to Celsius. Wow, that's messed up. These guys are very bad people. I'm sorry to say. Opinions, this is illegal bank. I definitely think that as well. Dixon pointed out that Celsius was willing to release only 50 million, whereas it holds about 210 million from 58,300 users in custody accounts, with another 15.33 million from withhold accounts. As per bankruptcy code 457C, Celsius cannot avoid transferring amounts less than 7,575 and made Celsius do a proper apportionment. I don't know how to say that word. I hope you guys do. For the 50 million. This had the Celsius lawyers distinguish between pure custody, withhold assets, and transfer custody assets, with pure assets which were not transferred from the earn and borrow programs. Custody customers consist of pure custody customers and transfer custody customers. 15,680 pure customer held assets worth 43 million, while 22,580 transfer custody customers held approximately 11.25 million. Withhold customer consists of pure withhold and transferred withhold customer. 470 pure withhold customers held approximately 702,360, while 3,180 transferred withhold customers held approximately 1.4 million. Man, this is pretty interesting stuff. And I'm sorry, guys, if you guys are involved in this situation. Don't be upset with crypto. This company is horrible. And I've been seeing this move for a few months already before I started jumping back on YouTube. And guys, I don't know. This is horrible. And I recommend you guys to study each exchange that you guys work with, each DeFi platform you guys work with, because things like this could happen in the future. We don't know what's going to happen in the market. We don't know if it's going to keep tanking. We don't know if it's going to go up. It's very interesting stuff. Let's look at Bitcoin chart. I haven't really looked into the Bitcoin chart in a few days. Since we are in the tank situation, let's go to the day chart. I like to look at the day chart because that actually shows the trend of the currency. So it looks like we're having a green day today. And where's my value map? Looks like we're having a green day today. And looks like we're going up again. This is a good opportunity for a long. I'm not your financial advisor, but we did tank a little bit. Look, August 19th, we were in 23,000 and we tanked to 21,000. Yeah, look at this pattern, guys. This pattern is very bullish right now. We do have a lot of catastrophic news coming up that I will be reporting day by day, but it's looking pretty bad for the future. um I'm not saying that we're not in good times to invest. I'm not your financial advisor, but these numbers are still very good. These numbers are still very good. This is the 5 minute. Looks like we're heading to a red. Look at that. Ooh, we just tanked actually. Again, you see, guys, I sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right. But yeah, definitely is something you guys should keep an eye on. I like I said, I like to trade on the daily chart that shows me pretty much the daily trend, and I also like to look at the 4 hour chart. Look, see, we're in a green. We're in green. We're in green today. Let's look at the hour chart. It's a little red, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna go back. Um, and the 15-minute chart. See, 15-minute chart is really good because it tells you what's happening there in the moment. But it's definitely something you guys should keep an eye on. So yeah, guys, if you guys like these videos, please give me a like. I have the comments closed for now. I don't know why. I've tried to open them and it doesn't let me. I'm working on that. I definitely want to see your guys' opinions. I definitely want you guys to give me productive criticism so I could do a lot better for you guys, give you a lot more information. I'm sorry for my wording sometimes. Sometimes I can't pronounce some words, but I'm definitely trying my best to give you guys the best updates for your own financial decisions. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys for watching till the end. So see you guys till next video.